Do you even have that? We do have many, but whatever. Alright, here it is. Alright, it is, guys. Now, enjoy your meal. Man, this is my first job. I don't even know how I'm so sentient. Wait a minute, what's going on? Activity? Destroy speaker base if you want him to. I just was born. Man, he isn't even done built. What is wrong with this? What is wrong with them? Hey, why do you keep on stealing our own? Dibbity, 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 dibbity. First, skibbity, top, 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 yes, yes. Don't you dare try. Let me handle them myself. You don't have to. I can also just take out this survivor. And also, you should have died to that lightsaber from Rocket Chicken. I'm doing my job. Oh yeah, I forgot to give you this. Dibbity dop dop dop, yeah yeah. Dibbity dop dop, yup. Dop, yeah. Dibbity dop dop dop, yeah yeah. Dibbity dop dop dop, yeah. Yeah, dibbity dop. Oh, for crying out loud. That's no fair. How come you can hide in a toilet? Can't I just grab him out? No. And also with you, Titan Bomb Man will take care of you. While this little bomb will save will finish his entire body. Like, his own legs are not even prepared. He came out unready, and now he's ready to defeat you. Oh my God.